Hello, welcome to Artistic Adventures by Rosie, where creativity meets inspiration. Today we are diving into enchanting world of Korean Tumblr hard drawing. Get ready to embark on a journey of whimsy and charm as we explore the intricacies of this delightful art form. To begin, sketch a gentle outline of a heart shape, allowing your pencil to dance lightly across the paper. Next, infuse your heart with the essence of Korean aesthetics by adding delicate floral patterns with its contours. Let your imagination run wild as you fill each petal and leaf with vibrant colors reminiscent of a blooming spring garden. Now add the finishing touches by embellishing your masterpiece with whimsical details such as twinkling stars or fluttering butterflies. Let's delve deeper into the magic of Korean Tumblr heart drawing. Take your time to refine the contours of the heart, ensuring each curve is graceful and harmonious. Now let's explore the symbolism behind each element of our drawing. Each petal and leaf carries its own meaning, infusing our artwork with layers of emotion and storytelling. As you add color to your drawing, allow yourself to be guided by intuition. Let the hues blend and merge, creating a symphony of colors that evoke a sense of joy and serenity. Don't be afraid to experiment with different textures and techniques. Embrace the imperfections and embrace the beauty of the unexpected. Lastly, remember that art is a journey, not a destination. Allow yourself to surrender to the creative process and let your heart guide you every step of the way. And there you have it, a Korean Tumblr heart drawing infused with love, passion, and a touch of whimsy. Join us next time on Artistic Adventures by Rosie for more artistic inspiration. Until then, keep exploring, keep creating, and keep embracing the beauty of your artistic journey. Happy drawing! Until then, may your adventures be filled with wonder and delight. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And thank you very much, my dear viewers.